Alright guys, we're going to do a test to see how to get a video to go viral. But first, I imagine a lot of you people are very upset that I am not the girl in the thumbnail. So if that's the case, I don't want you to dislike this video, but what I want you to do is go down into the comments and write how angry you are and how frustrated you are that there is not some hot babe teaching you how to make a video go viral. But guess what guys, I'm going to teach you the exact steps that it requires to make a video go viral on YouTube. I'm going to show you everything that works and everything you should consider and make happen in order to get your videos to go viral. And if you guys will do 3 things for me, we can watch how this happens and see the exact process that will get a video there. Now, what I need you to do is 1, to like this video, and then I need you to leave a comment. I need you to comment that you like the video, that you don't like the video, that you want to see something different, that you believe the tactics, or that you don't, or challenge me. But do something and write something in the comments. Like this video, and then the 3rd thing I need you to do is watch this video all the way to the end. And if you do that for me, I will do the rest to create a video that will go absolutely viral on YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly what's involved in that. So, starting out, number 1, the first thing you noticed, a catchy thumbnail. And what I did is I am cheating and I took a hot girl and made it clickbait. But it got you to click on it, it got your interest, and that is one of the tactics. So obviously having a catchy thumbnail. Now the next thing I did is I have a very strong title to this video, how to make a video go viral on YouTube, something that everybody's interested in and something that's pretty relevant on YouTube right now. And then what you'll notice is with the thumbnail, I've also included a couple of words on there that are very attention getting, that relate to the title of the video but do not repeat the title of the video. So those are very important things because I'm doing everything I can to get my viewer or potential viewers' attention in the sidebar by a thumbnail and by wording that will catch their attention and draw them in and entice them to be interested to watch the rest of this video. Now the next thing I did when you got into this video, I told you immediately, I want you to comment down below. I want you to engage with this video in some way, shape, or form. Don't downvote it. If you're angry about it, tell me about it. Explain it in the comment section so that we can get a dialogue going, because the more interest and the more activity that happens down there, the more well off your video is and the better chance you have to making a great viral video. Now the next thing, likes, thumbs up, as many people as possible. Giving the video a thumbs up is going to help, and so I am enticing you to give this a thumbs up, because guess what? If you do, and you're watching this and you'll just literally, seriously, right now, give it a thumbs up, and I'm talking to you, go thumbs up this video, and guess what's going to happen? This video will go viral. You will watch that right now, most of the videos that I upload to my channel have about 40 or 50 views on them right away, and it takes quite a while to get past the 100 mark for me. It takes a couple of weeks, and I have a handful of videos that are into the double digit thousands, but I've made them go viral by other ways. They've gotten caught on by playlists and things like that, and we'll talk about all that. For the most part, I upload a video and it gets 40 or 50 views right away. Watch this one, okay? And right now, at the time of this posting, I have 1,393 subscribers. So the next thing I want you to do is subscribe to my channel, because if YouTube sees that there are subscribers coming to your channel through a particular video, that means it's a high engagement video. So you guys, I want to like this video and then subscribe to my channel and then leave a comment. That's very important. And obviously you're going to find your own ways to do that in your videos, but for you, I want you to do that on my video right now, because we are doing this test to see if we can actually get a video to go as viral as it should on YouTube. Alright, the next things, I'm going to keep this video between about 3 and 5 minutes. That's typically the engagement rate and the attention span that you're going to get from somebody. And so I'm not going to go too much longer, but I just want to be very quick and brief and to the point and show you guys everything that's important and get it done with enough length of time that, you know, if I want to capitalize on advertisements and stuff like that, I can run, you know, that premium ads after 3 minutes. So the next thing that's really important is to entice you guys in every way, shape, and form to watch to the end, because the more engagement rate, the longer viewer rate that a video has, the more likely it is that YouTube will consistently promote it and view it as a good video. So make sure your videos are snappy, make sure they're good, make sure they are short and to the point, but that your viewer rate will stay high on each one of your videos. All right, next, in my description, you'll see that I have written out a very detailed discussion on how to make a video viral and the exact steps that are required to make a video go viral on YouTube. And so what YouTube is going to do as a search engine is scan the description of my video and see what keywords are in there. So I'm ranking for these keywords on making a video go viral, and I'm writing about them in my discussion, in my description, and allowing there to be a lot of content for YouTube to search. So in your videos, you want to tie in your keywords that are in your title with the description and make sure that you write them in a very organic way. The next thing that I did is, if you actually look at the title of this video after I edited it on my computer and exported it, I put the same keywords and the same content into the actual file name. So how to make a video go viral on YouTube. That's in the actual document name. It's very important. That's all metadata that gets registered. So YouTube is looking at all these different points to see what your video is about. Another thing you can do, which I'm not necessarily going to do for the whole time on this video, is have the captioning on, because that allows your transcripting to happen. And again, Google will read the transcript of what the video is about and be able to rank it for those keywords. So that's kind of it, guys. A very catchy headline, a very catchy thumbnail with wording that relates to your headline and your video title, but also draws them in a different way. A full description, about 3 to 4 minute videos depending on your demographic and what your topics are. Make sure that you write your keywords in your description in lots of different organic ways. Title your actual file with your thumbnail or with your keywords. And then the next thing that this is that I want to relay to you guys is this is called a feat. And so what I'm doing, it's not a feature, but it's a feat of strength, a feat of show in a sense. So I'm finding something trending, something controversial, something people are interested in right now, and making kind of clickbaity videos just for that topic. So this one, how to get a video viral on YouTube. It's very important right now. YouTube just changed its advertising structure and its partnership program so that if you don't have 1,000 views or 1,000 subscribers and over 40,000 watch time minutes, I believe it is, you don't get paid advertising revenue. And so I'm talking about a very controversial, specific topic right now, and I'm making very clickbaity videos to get people to come and click on it and be a part of this. So those are the things that you want to do with your channel, is make consistent videos that are feats, that enter you into the conversation that's happening right now and are intriguing enough to get people to watch them, even if it's not necessarily what your channel is about. But by doing so, you're going to be drawing a lot of attention, a lot of viewership, and what that's going to do is YouTube will pay attention to that, the fact that your channel is getting engagement and views and things like that, and it will continually rank you higher, increasing your ability to be seen, your visibility, and your ability to have viral videos. So that's it, guys. I thank you for watching this all the way to the end. I tried to keep it as brief as possible. Make sure, seriously, that you like this video, and then please leave some kind of comment, even if it's a couple of words down below. Let's get a dialogue going on that, and what's going to happen is this video will have so much activity that it indeed will go viral, proving that these steps will make a video go viral on YouTube, and then you can see exactly how it works and how the marketing structure happens. So this is a little bit different than my normal channel and what I'm doing here on Limitless North, but it is very important that you guys understand marketing and utilizing the system that is in place to give you the best shot at getting rich, at getting wealthy, at making things happen. So that's it, you guys. Thank you. I'm Kai Block with Limitless North. God bless you. I will see you on the next one, and come back and watch how this video has gone viral. All right, catch you later. Hi, I'm Kai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you and I promise you that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.